Hi everybody, welcome to this class. In this class we will study decision making and branching. It's a new chapter of Java that we will study today. So first of all, we will talk about conditional statement. Conditional statement come under the decision making. What are the conditional statement? In program, we face some situation where we want certain blocks of code to be executed when some condition is fulfilled. Decision making works on the same concept. This statement perform a conditional test. If condition evaluates to true, one part of program will execute, otherwise another part of program will execute. This statement allows us to control the flow of program execution. Means we can control program flow with the help of this statement based upon some conditions, and these can be handled at the time of runtime or execution time of program. These conditional statements are if else, nested if else, and else if ladder. So all these we will discuss one by one in different videos, and today we will discuss about how if conditional statement work. What is if statement? It is very simple decision making statement, or we can say it is first decision making statement. It is used to check whether a block of statement will execute or not. It performs a conditional test. If condition evaluates to true, then block of code will execute, otherwise not. If statement works only when condition returns true. If condition returns false, it do nothing, and we will see it practically today in the video. Here is the syntax of if statement. Syntax for single statement is like this. We can write like this: if we will write if, put a condition, and we will write single statement. But if we have multiple statement to execute under if condition block, then we have to make a block with the help of these braces. We will write if condition, we will place braces, and in braces we will write statements. We can write number of statement here. Now we will see it practically with the help of this example. Enter two numbers and check first number is greater than second number. So for this we will make a program. First of all, we'll import a package java.util. This package I import for scanner class. Now we'll take a class greater number test. Now we will apply a we will take a main method, and here we will make an object of scanner class. Now we will ask user to enter two numbers. Number 1 we will read by nextInt method, and number 2. Now with the help of if, we have to test if number 1 is greater than number 2, then we will print message system.out.println number 1 is greater than number 2. We can see it practically. Go to file and we'll save this program. For this I will go to my computer, C drive, and JDK. JDK must be installed in your system to run a Java program. So we will open JDK bin folder, and here we will write greater number test, this class name. Program has been saved. Now we will open command prompt. go to root directory and open JDK, then open bin, and in bin we will run javek command, javek greater number test dot java, no error, greater number test, enter. Now enter two numbers, we will enter two numbers 2 and 5. So nothing it result because this condition is false, and in case of false if do nothing, but in second case when this condition is true, 5 is greater than 2, its result will be like this, 5 is greater than 2. So if statement works only for condition when condition returns true, if condition returns false it do nothing. Now the second thing is this, how we can create this block. If we have multiple statement to execute under this statement, then we can create block. So I will write here multiple statement, system dot out dot println first number 1, system dot out dot println second number 2, and then we'll print this message. Again Ctrl S to save this program. Open command prompt, up arrow key we will press 2 times, so JDK will command, Java command will show. Down arrow key one time press, Java command will show, and press enter. Enter two numbers 5 and 6. This condition is false. Enter two number 6 and 2. First number is 6, second number is 2, 6 is greater than 2. So like this we can make a block of if statement. So in this program I told you how we can work with if statement, and if statement works only when condition returns true, otherwise it do not generate any result. So it is the use of if statement it is the use of if statement that I told you in this video. If you have some problem or any query, you can ask me through comment, and if this video is helpful for you, you can make a like and you can share this video, can subscribe my channel for more videos of this chapter, and you will find link of all videos of this chapter under the description of this video. Beside this, if you want to study all these videos in Hindi, you can go my second channel. Description of that link of that channel is also present in the description of this video, and thanks for watching.